Hi everyone! Today we're crocheting a lovely coaster to protect your surfaces and add charm to your home. Perfect for beginners and pros alike, so grab your yarn and subscribe for more. For round 1, we're starting with a magic ring. Chain 2, this counts as your first double crochet. Then work 11 more double crochets into the ring. That's 12 double crochets total. Pull the tail to close the ring and slip stitch into the chain 2 to join. Tip: if the magic ring feels tricky, take your time. It's worth it for a neat center. Next, for round 2, we'll chain 2, then work a V-stitch. That's 2 double crochets in the same stitch. Chain 1, then repeat this V-stitch and chain 1 in every other stitch around. You'll do this 6 times total. Slip stitch to join tip. Keep your chains loose for a nice, airy look. For round 3, chain 2, then work 1 double crochet in the next stitch. Now, in the following stitch, do a V-stitch, 2 double crochets, followed by a chain 1. Repeat this pattern, 1 double crochet, then V-stitch and chain 1, 6 times around. Join with a slip stitch. Tip: count your stitches to stay on track. For round 4, chain 2, then work 2 double crochets in the next 2 stitches. In the following stitch, make a V-stitch, 2 double crochets, and chain 1. Repeat this, 2 double crochets, then V-stitch and chain 1, 6 times around. Slip stitch to join. Tip: keep your tension even for a flat coaster. For round 5, chain 2, then work 3 double crochets in the next 3 stitches. Next, do a V-stitch, 2 double crochets in the following stitch and chain 1. Repeat this, 3 double crochets, then V-stitch and chain 1, 6 times around. Join with a slip stitch. Tip: check that your coaster isn't curling. Adjust your hook size if needed. For round 6, chain 2, then work 4 double crochets in the next 4 stitches. In the following stitch, make a V-stitch, 2 double crochets and chain 1. Repeat this, 4 double crochets, then V-stitch and chain 1, 6 times around. Slip stitch to join. Tip: take a moment to admire your work, it's worth it. Now, let's start the green leaf base for flower attachment. For round 7, chain 1, then in the first stitch, do a single crochet, chain 4, and another single crochet. Skip a few stitches, then repeat this. Single crochet, chain 4, single crochet, once more. You'll have 2 loops. Tip: space them evenly for balance. For round 8, chain 1, then single crochet in the first stitch. In the first loop, chain 4, then work a double crochet, chain 3, and slip stitch. Repeat this, double crochet, chain 3, slip stitch in the second loop. Fasten off. Tip: keep your chains delicate for a leafy look. Now let's make 12 to 14 blue flowers. For round 1, start with a magic ring. Chain 1, then work 5 single crochets into the ring. Pull the tail to close and slip stitch to join. Tip: small stitches make a tight flower center. For round 2, chain 2, then in the same stitch, work 2 double crochets, chain 2 and slip stitch. Repeat this: chain 2, 2 double crochets, chain 2, slip stitch. In each of the 5 stitches around, you'll have 5 petals. Fasten off. Tip: fluff the petals for a fuller look. And there you have it. Your beautiful crochet coaster with flowers is complete. I'm so proud of you for following along. You've created something truly special. If you enjoyed this, please like this video and subscribe for more fun projects. Share your creations with me in the comments. I'd love to see them. Happy crocheting and see you next time.